All right, guys, sometimes life just gives you a second chance, and this one is mine. About 6 years ago, I had an identical Hurd lock. I just got this one in from Mr. Shepherd out in Fresno, California. This is identical to a lock I destroyed 6 years ago, trying to figure out how the darn thing worked and why I couldn't get it picked or impressioned. Somebody in the comments after I destroyed the lock said, "Did you try to pick it counterclockwise?" And I always wondered if that was going to work. Now I get another chance. It's a wide open keyway. It is a 5-pinner. If you look back at the old video, I'll put a link down in the description. I machined the old one open, did all kinds of analysis, and could not figure out why I couldn't open it. So maybe the counterclockwise thing is the answer. Let me get it clamped up in a vise, and let's see if that is the way we're going to get this thing open finally after 6 years. All right, guys, I'm not really sure that commenter is correct, because when I do tension it clockwise, pins do bind, and they also bind when I go counterclockwise. So I'm guessing this may be one more failure in a long string of failures, but you don't know until you give it a shot, right? All the way in. Moderate tension. This core barely moves, so a little corrosion in it. Looking for a binder. Pin 3. Pin 4, little click. Pin 5. Looks like pin 3 again. Oh, he's good. Oh, little turn on the core, and there we go. I did not hear it open though, so see if I can hold this. Kind of weird angle here. Come on, don't drop him. Get the vise out. Oh, now I dropped it, but it stayed open. Not spring loaded. How cool is that? Okay, he has turned as far as he's going to go, though, and he didn't pop open. There we go. Probably been 100 years since this little guy's been open. All right, guys, confirmed. Counterclockwise in these old Hurds. If you ever run into one, don't give up like I did. Throw in the towel and just assume that it opens clockwise, because this one obviously opened the counterclockwise direction. All right, I'm not going to destroy this one. For once, I'm going to keep a lock in its original condition. Find a collector. I don't have a key for this, but I'm sure it's worth something to somebody. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. Keep your minds open like I didn't. Thanks, guys.